Hi, so welcome to DCA. So as few days are left for the upcoming exam, that is around 22 days are left for the exam, that is NDA 2020, and many of the students who might be waiting for the exams to be cancelled, or still in illusion that exam may be delayed. So nobody is sure about the future, right? Till this moment it's certain that exam is going to take place. Ultimately it all depends on situation, and the Prime Minister as well as the concerned bodies are the genuine ones to decide, to announce, right? So what we need to do, we need to go on, we need to keep on going. So we'll try to keep the conversation in English, because as already said that many of the students who follow us are from the English belt, that is South Indian belt, so they are not able to understand Hindi, right? So that's why these topics which are of importance I always try to keep in English, so that message and the knowledge can be conveyed to all the students. So let's come to the topic. So the topic of the day is quite interesting actually, the lollipop topics of mathematics, right? So keeping NDA exam in mind. So this session is focused for upcoming NDA exam. So when some people ask you, okay, what should be the strategy is only to study, that is to practice, to work upon, to use your pen and paper. That is the only strategy. Now the only thing what you can do is a smart approach, right? So automatically 20 or 30 days is not enough to crack any UPSC exam. But if you have been preparing, or if you have been in touch for the last 3 months or 4 months, and if you have done your +2 in a proper manner, right? So this can be done easily in 20 or 25 days as well, right? There no rocket science is needed for this. So that's why I tried to check out what are the simple and easy topics, that is which I claim the lollipop topics. Lollipop means it's interesting, easy, scoring, and the number of questions are going to be definite from this, right? So questions will be in abundant number. So definitely these topics are going to be in the paper with a considerable number of questions, right? Maybe 4, 5, 6. That means the input is to output ratio is quite high. That means if you are working upon a particular topic, I have to make sure that topic, the questions will be at least 3, 4, 5, minimum 4 questions will be there. The second, the chances of getting that topic solved should be more than 90%, right? There are some topics which can be confusing, but I am talking about those topics which are easy to understand, which are scoring, as well as the chances of getting solved are quite 90% plus. So let's start. The first one is vector, the second is 3D. You need to do that. You cannot dare to skip this, because the question, if you look upon the paper of NDA, they have asked find the value of lambda if these two vectors are perpendicular. Even the second question of NCERT, scalar or dot product talks about this. So these are very, very easy level question, extremely easy, and 100% chances of getting it correct if you are comfortable with the plus minus things of, right? Silly mistakes ना करो तो कोई बहुत बड़ी इसमें महानता नहीं है. So vector and 3D can be revised. I am talking about revision. I am not saying that you are completely unaware of the topic. You are aware of the topic. What you need to do is to just a brief recap. Vector 1 hour is sufficient. 3D 1.5 hour is sufficient. That means it will take around 2.5 hours. And if you are saying no sir, I am slightly below average, it will take at least 4 hours, let's suppose. So 4 hours is giving you at least 10 to 13 question, and the chances of getting at least 9 to 10 is 90% plus. So why not to do that? So this is one of the most lollipop section of the NDA. Whenever you get the paper, try to find out vector question and start working, right? You need to choose, you need to pick up the question, you need to target it. अपने को पेपर में चुनना है, pick and choose policy, right? I will hit this, I will miss this. This is what you need to do if you want to score more than 150, 160 or 200. That means if you want your score to be 70, attempt to be 70% plus, 70 plus out of 120 in mathematics, pick and choose is the best policy, right? Because every question is not of equal toughness. There are very lollipop type of question जो आपको चुनना है. Second, coordinate geometry, straight lines, conic sections. The questions from conic section are straight from the formula. You need to remember just, what is the eccentricity, what is the formula, what is the basic equation, latest rexum, that's it. So even if you take a revision of this, conic section, that is ellipse, parabola and hyperbola, will take around 3 hours maximum with question practice. Do one thing, write down all the formulas on a plain sheet, keep it aside, take 10 questions and revise it, that's it. but make sure that you are doing the question with considerable speed. Speed is of prime importance. There are many people who know the question but fails to do the question within the certain duration of the time. So speed needs practice, mental calculation. Okay, I am going to do this. Question देखा तो feeling आना चाहिए. Okay, this is to be done. Straight lines, definitely 4 to 5 questions are there. In fact, more than that. So overall coordinate will consist of more than 8. कभी कभार 6-7 भी आए, but it consists more than 8. So input is to output. So overall duration required is 5 hours to revise this complete coordinate. 5 hours में तो हम coordinate पूरा पढ़ा देते हैं, right? Along with the questions. But input output you can check it out, more than 24 marks. आपको आसानी से यहाँ मिल जाएगा. Then function, a very small topic, highly conceptual, and if you are good with the graphs you can easily do it, right? But questions are definitely 5 plus. Domain range kind of question, validity of the question, graph is of course, if you are good with the function, the questions limited concerned with the continuity and differentiability can also be done with very ease, right? So that is also a must do topic. बहुत rocket science नहीं है, आपको थोड़ा सा ग्राफ बस समझना है. Next is differentiation and application of derivative. So there are around 5 to 7 questions in this section, and the only thing what you need to do is differentiation, whether it is a question of application of derivative, rate based question, roles based question, tangent based question, normal. The only thing is that differentiation you should know. अगर आपको differentiation पता है तो ये section आप जरूर कर सकते हैं. Next, quadratic. Now quadratic is the most interesting, right? Which I feel that you have been learning it since class 10th, alpha beta kind of stuffs, right? And if you know the location of the roots, that is a positive point to you actually. And this question, easily out of 4 to 6 question, 4 plus can be easily done. So highly input is to output ratio from this topic, right? And this quadratic will, आप एक पेज में formula बनाओ, take out the 10-20 question, the highly quality question, जो अच्छा question हो, जिसको देख को आपको लगे कि नहीं थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है, right? You can check it out. It will take at least maximum 3 hours to finish it out. Sequence series, it will take around 4 to 5 hours to have a brief recap. Try to do at least 30 questions from this, not simple formula based. Try to do PYQs, that will also help you. Next, probability and statistics. Now this is the portion which is generally neglected by the students, but remember in probability at least 7 to 8 plus questions are asked. So I will rather advise you to do this topic, right? Questions are very small, answers are also very small in terms of calculation, right? So if you are okay with the understanding, probability is a must do recommended topic because 7 plus questions are there and last में आपको question probability के मिलते हैं, and at least 4 can be easily done बहुत आसानी से. Sometimes questions are formula oriented, which of the following is correct for mutually exclusive events, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन होते हैं. स्टैटिस्टिक्स में भी जो रिग्रेशन वाला टॉपिक है, राइट, ये बहुत जरूरी है और करना चाहिए आपको. अगर आपने अभी नहीं किया है तो आप 2-3 घंटे लगा के जरूर कर लें and try to do, right? Statistics takes around 4 to 5 hours, but the number of questions are enough one. Around 7 to 9 questions are asked and you cannot neglect. आप ये चीज जरूर करें. Now if you talk about some other easy topics like logarithm, binary, conversion of binary decimal, but there is one or two question from log, one from binary. So there are a lot of tits and bits. I have not named complex number, question is 2 to 3, right? There are other topics which I have not mentioned like PNC, like I can say limits, right? So मैंने वो topics आपको बताए जो कि आप within 15 hours, that can be revised in 15 hours with full go along with the question, and which can reward you at least 60 plus correct out of 20. That is very moderate. ये कोई महान काम नहीं है. 60 करेक्ट करना कोई महान काम नहीं है, आसानी से हो सकता है. The only thing is that you need to work upon pen pencil. इसके लिए कोई YouTube का चैनल देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना ही कोई रॉकेट साइंस पढ़ने की जरूरत है, ना ही किसी टीचर की जरूरत है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप ये बुक से उठाएं, फॉर्मूला लिखें, PYQs निकालें और 4 रैंडम क्वेश्चन ले, डन. दैट्स इट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. आसानी से किया जा सकता है. इन अगर मैं सिर्फ मैथ्स पढ़ने बैठूं तो ऐसा मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए आइडियली, बट इवन इफ आई डू लेट्स सपोज 3 hours ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स डेली for the next 10 days, ये टॉपिक्स में आराम से कर सकता हूं, and I will make sure that 60 is going to be correct at least from my side, which is a good number. Remember, speed is the concern. So whenever you take out, okay, let's do this 5 question, make sure that you are noting the time in which you are solving. आप 10 क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तो कितना टाइम लगा रहे हैं ये जरूर नोट करें. सॉल्व करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, विद इन टाइम सॉल्व करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई नीडेड टू कन्वे, व्हिच आई वांटेड टू कन्वे as a part of the questions which are lollipop, and the score will be Lallan top. Thank you, hope you enjoyed the session. Bye.